What's going on, everybody? So today I just wanted to share a few updates with y'all. Again, I know y'all like seeing the updates. That's your favorite thing, is for me to post results, updates that I've gotten from my clients. Nobody else is doing this, and I don't understand why. If there's so many good credit repair companies out there, how come they're not posting consistent results? Now, keep in mind, a lot of these big credit repair companies, they have thousands and thousands and thousands of more clients than I do, but they're still not posting results. If I had as many clients as Lexington Law, I would literally have to hire a team of 100 people just to post the results for me. So, another thing y'all got to look out for, especially on YouTube, is these people that are obviously scamming you, and this is how they talk to people in the comments. And I was lucky enough to screenshot this before it gets deleted, because we all know it's going to get deleted. And I'm going to kind of refer back to my video yesterday about the bankruptcy. It's usually just clickbait, and I apologize if that pissed anybody off, but I was just trying to prove a point that you can say whatever you want to in the title, and you can say whatever you want to in the video. If you're not showing the stuff being deleted or showing your results, I mean, what do you have? I mean, I can tell you anything I want to on this camera. I can tell you anything I want to on the phone. But if I'm not showing consistent results, how can I prove that I'm good at what I do? And I can prove I'm good at what I do. And I do it every single day. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great Monday.